Hey there, and welcome back to our cozy corner of culinary delights. Today, we're diving into some delightful Sunday special recipes that are perfect for gathering around the table with family and friends. Sundays are all about relaxation and connection, and what better way to celebrate than with delicious food that warms the heart. Let's kick things off with a classic, a hearty vegetable lasagna. Layered with fresh, vibrant veggies, creamy ricotta, and gooey mozzarella, this dish is not only satisfying, but also a feast for the eyes. The best part? You can prep it ahead of time and pop it in the oven just before your guests arrive. The aroma that fills your kitchen will have everyone eagerly anticipating the first bite. Next up, how about a refreshing summer salad? Toss together some mixed greens, juicy cherry tomatoes, crisp cucumbers, and a sprinkle of feta cheese. Drizzle it with a homemade lemon vinaigrette for that perfect zing. This salad is not just a side, it's a celebration of fresh flavors that complements any main dish beautifully. And we can't forget dessert. Let's whip up a batch of warm, gooey chocolate chip cookies. There's something magical about the smell of cookies baking in the oven. As they come out, golden and slightly crisp on the edges, you'll want to enjoy them fresh with a glass of cold milk or a scoop of vanilla ice cream. Trust me, these cookies will bring smiles all around. As we wrap up today's Sunday special recipes, I hope you feel inspired to create some delicious memories in your kitchen. Remember, it's not just about the food, it's about the love and laughter shared around the table. If you enjoyed these recipes, don't forget to follow us for more culinary inspiration. Thank you for joining me today, and happy cooking!